Alright. Sometimes things just never stop giving. Okay. Clamp off here and show you what we got. You can see the patch right here. Nice, huh? So that's all we have to add in there. Weld this shut. Here, apparently the gentleman that put this lower quarter bottom on this, I didn't finish that, so we'll finish that up. Put it back together. We've done that on the rest of this upper lip up here. Got it all back together again. It's never done out here except for a glaze of filler. So this is the last place of metal work on this side. I think I have one here and somewhere else on it on the other side. I'll have to put it in and look, but that'll wrap up metal work. So I said the gift that just doesn't stop giving. Rust. All right, bring it back when we get this put in place. All right, this is all done over here now. See it down here. It's good. Skim the fillers all we need there. We got this all done up here. These are all joined together here now. Put a piece in that. There's a couple other places up there we got those taken care of. So we're good on this side now. Move on to the other side. More fun here. I know right here is a new lower quarter panel section. It comes up to here. See, right here. Got some rod out right here. So we'll take it off to about up here probably. And put a piece in. Back to here. Place right here. Cut that out. We look pretty good all the rest of the way down. Too bad down there. So outer lip is all good on this. So that's what we've got on this side. I'd love to fix those inner lips. This car would have been a good candidate for the full cheater quarters. But that wasn't the route that was decided to go on it, so they could have used those outer wheel houses, trunk drop downs. That would have been a 100% way to do it. But we'll do what we got to do here. Get it all back together. Bring you back when we make more progress. Alright, I'm not going to get too far in detail on this side. I'm just going to show what I'm having to do to it. And here's a glorious piece. How do you like that? So, cut this baby out right up here. Bring it back here, join it to the new section we put on the bottom. Bring it up here where we're in the good stuff. I like to do it right at the edge of the lip here. That's the easiest place to grind it in and hide it and fit it better. Get down there, we got one right here. I probably want to bring it back for this one. I'll probably show it as I'm doing it, but alright, we'll keep going on this.